Hello and welcome to paradise, everybody. Today we are just outside of Bristol, Florida, and we are gonna get the chance to hike the beautiful Garden of Eden Trail. We are here in paradise. I can't believe it. We've made it. But yeah, super pumped. In the 50s or 60s, I forget what it was, a guy by the name of Callaway wrote a book, and in it he described a theory based on his findings. After considerable research, he discovered that the description of the Garden of Eden, the plants, the geography, the various characteristics were actually found right here in the panhandle of Florida, right here in North Florida along the banks of the Apalachicola River, not far from where I'm standing right at this moment. And among the things he found was, first of all, the plants and the plant species that are mentioned in the second chapter of Genesis. 27 of the 28 are found right here outside of Trailhead State Park, right here, Bristol, Florida. So that's pretty interesting. Also, the four-head river system that's described in Genesis, you can find it right here, four rivers that form the Apalachicola River Delta. So really interesting. I'm excited to be here. Never done a hike like this before. Of course, so close to home right here in the panhandle of Florida. This is part of a nature preserve, so they're trying to take real good care of it and everything. As you see, there's good information and all this stuff. It was really easy to find. Like I say, we're right outside of Bristol, Florida. There's a state highway that goes right through Bristol, right next to the Apalachicola River. And then once you get right over here, there's actually a road called Garden of Eden Trail Road, and there's plenty of signs and everything. So super easy to find. Really excited to get started. So the first quarter mile, a little bit sandy, I'll admit, but we went into the woods pretty quick, and look at how beautiful this is. Really well maintained. Came across my first boardwalk here, so that's pretty cool. So everything going really well. Super nice, really nice surroundings. But I think I should also mention that it said that this is a strenuous hike, so I'm also preparing for my first set of stairs, so we'll see how it goes. I am really loving this trail. Might be a little bit strenuous coming back, but some really great scenery. Really liking it. Could this be the tree of good and evil herself? Look at that. Just surrounded by a grove of young Trailhead pines. Wow. Gorgeous. This is the sand I was talking about. Oh, but it's great though. So about 1.5 miles in, you get to a fork in the trail. I went to the right, and it said Alum Bluff overlook. Man, it's awesome. As I mentioned, there is a fork in the trail about 1.5 miles in, and that begins the river loop. You can go right and go to the overlook like I did, but you don't have to. The river loop is definitely the best part of the trail because there's amazing views of the Apalachicola River. There's also sections of the trail that go right along the bluffs where you're looking straight down 100 feet, so it's really exciting. I will mention that there's a lot of elevation change, believe it or not, when you're trying to get up on these bluffs. You come out of creek beds. So if you're uncomfortable with steps or stairs, this will definitely be a strenuous hike for you, just as it's advertised. Now, if you're comfortable hiking the mountains or you're just in good shape, this will be a nice, easy 4-mile trail for you, no problem. I will suggest, however, please do bring mosquito repellent. The mosquitoes were quite terrible, even when you were up on the bluff. So just bring mosquito repellent, especially during the warm months. I hope you found this video informative and helpful, and I hope it fires you up to go discover the Garden of Eden yourself. If you have enjoyed this video, feel free to like or subscribe. But most of all, I just hope you get a chance to go experience this wonderful trail yourself. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thank you.